The Holiday S2 log cabin features 3 sets of folding doors which make it especially pleasant during warmer months as they allow you to really open up a large area on the front of the cabin. These bifold door sets also flood the cabin with light and maximize your view from within the building. Each bedroom, as well as the living room, has its own entrance. Both bedrooms have separate rooms within which you could install bathroom facilities and wardrobes. These features make this cabin flexible to use as a rental cabin, office building, guest house, or holiday home. All doors and windows are double-glazed and equipped with quality European-made door and window systems. If you intend to use this cabin year-round, then we would recommend adding on our roof and floor insulation kit.